Hello everybody, welcome to Eat Prime. It's New Music Friday. Reggae songbird Naomi Cowan channels her inner champion bubbler with the release of her new single. Champion Bubbler sees Cowan stepping outside of her reggae genre and showing off her versatility with this new dancehall track. In this Eat Prime exclusive, she gave us details on the song, which was released today.
Champion Bubbler is straight up dancehall. It's about knowing who you are, not being ashamed of who you are as a woman.
Champion bubbling on the dance. See me in my tight up shots. Beg you look away, make my pass. Oh Lord, yeah. I just a champion bubbler, I give them a dick. A long time me and my girl and I mash up the place. I go down them off and tackle, make them strap up them layers. I watch him make me back up like a van you was steer.
Intense drops a lesson from his upcoming debut album Voyage. The track Lesson, produced by Nubrix Records, sees the artist reflecting on the hardship and loss he has suffered, digging deep to offer painful truths over somber piano notes. Voyage will be Intense's first project since 2021, when he dropped both a Wounded EP and the Public Enemy #1 mixtape. Now Jason Derulo dismisses sexual harassment claims following a lawsuit filed Thursday by singer Emaza Gibson. Derulo is being accused of making unwanted sexual advances towards Gibson in 2021, who was signed to his record label to make multiple albums and a mixtape under his mentorship. Dismissing the claims, the Swallow singer posted a video on Instagram Thursday stating that they are completely false and hurtful.
I wouldn't normally comment, but these claims are completely false and hurtful. I stand against all forms of harassment, and I remain supportive of anybody following their dreams. I've always strived to live my life in a positively impactful way, and that's why I sit here before you deeply offended by these defamatory claims. God bless.
During their partnership, Derulo allegedly told Gibson that she would be required to partake in goat skin and fish scales to find success in the music industry. The lawsuit says that it is a Haitian reference to conducting sexual rituals. Gibson also alleged that Derulo constantly pressured her to drink with him despite her rejections, adding that she intended to keep their relationship purely professional. Drake releases For All the Dogs and has announced plans to halt music production due to health reasons. The 8th studio album includes 23 tracks and features past collaborators like J. Cole, 21 Savage, Lil Yachty and SZA, and the Puerto Rican superstar himself Bad Bunny, plus artists from the hip-hop vanguard like Chief Keef, Tiso, Touchdown and Sexy Red. Now following the release of the album, Drake broke news when speaking on Table for One on Sirius XM's Sound 42 Friday morning that he will not be releasing any music for some time, as he will be taking time to deal with his stomach issues that he has been having a challenge with for some time.
I probably won't make music for a little bit. I'm going to be real with you. I need to focus on my health first and foremost. I've been having the craziest problems for years with my stomach. So I need to focus on my health.
That's it for your weekend edition of Eat Prime. I am Deidre and be safe.